Hey guys, let me fix this up. It's Ken here and KENNIQUE from Niche 6, and I'm back with another video. So I'm kind of showing you more of the shipping supplies that I did receive. So I did order stuff from Uline. So I ordered 3 boxes, 2 poly mailers. I love the poly mailers downstairs, so I'm gonna have to get those. And then what I ordered from Vistaprint. So I am going to show you guys what I got. Then I got my shipping label from Amazon. So the shipping label from Amazon, I'll probably just do a whole review and separate video for that, and like a how tutorial. So let's go ahead and get started. So for Uline, I got this massive box. Let me just twist that. I got this massive box. I'll show you here. And then they come with this little, I guess it's like a catalog of everything that they have, which is pretty good to know. I think that's pretty cool that they come with like a whole catalog. Like, should I send that out with my business? Like a whole catalog? That's so cool. The first box I got was for the smaller bag I have. This was 8x6 and 2, so I think it's length times width times height. So 8 inches, 6 inches, and 2 inches. So I'm just gonna fold it in. And then I'm also gonna show you, I should learn how to fold the box. So this is the size of this one, and I'm gonna throw a bag in there. So this would be the bag I would probably ship in here. And honestly, I measured with my fingers. I didn't have a ruler. So that kind of fits in perfectly. And perfect. So that will be great to ship out. I do have poly mailers. I just wanted to see if I kind of like the box, and I wanted to do sizing of boxes because I want to do my own custom boxing. So I thought, let me order, you know, just regular boxes, see what sizes work best. This is a perfect fit. This would be like a box I would get, and I also could put bathing suits in this one or masks. Quite happy with that one. The next box I have was just for the fun in Paris, because sometimes I just get one order of that box. And this bag is so hard to fit in a box because it's not like a perfect shape, and they don't fit in the 10x13 poly mailer, so I need something bigger, and I kind of just want it like just in. I just want to be able to put this in a box, and that's the box for it. With my fingers, I did 10 inches by 8 inches and 5 inches. The height of the bag when it's laid down is about 4, so I kind of gave it some extra inches. So let's see how it fits. So just pop that here. Okay, so if you can see, it actually fits perfect. Hoping with packaging, it will probably kind of squeeze right in with the tissue paper. It is literally a perfect fit, which is good. So when I put the card, the tissue paper, and everything, it will be good. And I guess there is some room in here, so I would actually, like, I could probably go for the height, maybe 1/2 inch smaller, and it will fit perfect. I could do 1/2 inch, 3/4, or maybe I will order 1 box of like a perfect fit just to see. But the 10 by 8 is perfect. So height, I would either do 4.5 inches because there is room in here. But that was a pretty good estimate. Next, I wanted a box where I can fit 2 of my best sellers. Either when I ship out this one and this one, I was like, I want a box to put in both of them, or I want a box to put in both of these. I know it's like, well, why do you need so many options just with packaging? And I really wanted to figure out the perfect size. I guess we'll see which one I will use the most. So I was like, technically it is maybe a loss, but it could work out for me finding the perfect size. I did 11.5 inches 8 3/4 and 5 inches. So this might be a little bit roomy, but now I'm thinking probably not. Yes? No worries. So it doesn't fit long ways. So actually I might not be able to fit them. I don't know why I thought this would fit like this. I'm off by like 1.5 inches. I don't know if I can show you guys. I'm literally off. This one could only go long ways. And I don't think this will be able to fit. Oh, it could. Oh, almost. I needed this to be an extra inch each way, actually. I can fit it. I'm going to show you guys in 1 second. It could kind of just fit if I do it like this. So I may have to pack it like that. Yeah, no, it's too up. But I know both of those bags can fit in there. And let me see if I do this one. Both of these are a perfect fit. So it's like perfect. I do think if I add, probably gonna add half, because if I were to pack them like this, I'm gonna just lay it out. But overall, that is pretty good. I guess the next one, I'll see how these go. I am pretty impressed with this. Poly mailers, I got 6x11, and they're just like straight plain poly mailers. They don't have any bubble wrapping in them. And the other ones, I think, was 10x13. I'll probably throw the prices up just like around here of what it all works out to be and let you guys know that as well. Perfect. So next we will move on to Vistaprint. Okay, so for Vistaprint, I ended up getting business cards. So I got, I don't even know how many I got. I'll just write it down on the bottom here. I thought there would be a nicer way to open this. There is not. So I just tripped out because I'm like, why does it look like this? Oh, but it's like, it's card dust. I was like, what is on here? So I did kind of mess something up. So this is the card. So I kept it same as the other one. And then I have the coupon code. But what I forgot is I wanted some without the coupon code. And I ordered a lot with the coupon code. So I'm gonna have to use my other ones that don't have a coupon code with this. So, and this has the email and everything because I never had that last time. Oh look, they gave me a 20%. They even gave me a coupon code. I give 20, they give 20. So that's how many cards I got. That's like a lot of cards. 4 boxes. So next we have these Post-it kind of thank you cards. I'm excited to see because I redid them. Mine were so plain and boring and basic. Throw them over here. I keep scaring myself. I'm like, what did I just do? Oh my god, there's so many. I'll just pull out one. I was like, I don't know what color I should do, but I want my brand to be very classy. So I'm like, let me do white. And then after that, I can pick. See, I don't know where I'm gonna go. So these are NS. Oh, the back is so cute. And then this is the back. I don't know if I can show you guys. I'll throw in like a digital copy. So basically it's like, hey babe, XO, we're so excited for you to receive your items. Each piece was made just for you. Just for you. Show them off in style, post on the gram, or share on TikTok. Don't forget to tag Niche Babe. Okay, good, I spelled that right. We can't wait to see how you style them. Thank you. So excited. And like, this is glossy. I do wish I had like, you know, a color for my brand, but right now everything's black and white and I can change that. So I think with people get caught up with logos and stuff, and don't get caught up, you can always change your logo. I mean, brands do that all the time, so I wouldn't worry too much, but so far this is what we look like. Niche 6. I'm gonna have to take this for the gram. So mad because I had an order that went out yesterday and I had to hand wrote this. And I was like, why won't this come in? And this said it was coming in July 9th. It came in 2 days. So that's okay. The order was from somebody I know, so hopefully they didn't like mine a handwritten note. Woo! Now I don't know what to do. Okay, I'm gonna take a photo of these for the gram and come back and show you the label printer. Perfect.